Challenge 7. Environment and identity setting. Day 2. Organizing your personas. Living a life dependent on external approval is a hallmark of the modern bourgeoisie. In contemporary sociology, it's said that people carry multiple masks, personas, and wear whichever one suits their current role. As a mother, a professional, an activist, or a friend, we shift between different faces. Philosopher Jean-Jacques Rousseau once wrote, "People wear masks. Having almost never truly been themselves, they feel alienated and uncomfortable when they try to be. Who are they? They are nothing. All they have is how they appear." From Reading Rousseau, Who am I behind the masks? One of the most essential journeys in life is learning who we truly are. From birth, we are given roles. Some by choice, others by expectation. Over time, we develop various personas to help us adapt and function within social systems. At work, we fulfill duties tied to our job title. At home, we take on the role of parent, sibling, or partner. With friends, we often play yet another part. As these layers pile up, it becomes harder to describe who we are, beyond our roles. The process of shedding the mask. To rediscover your authentic self, you need to step back and examine the personas you've adopted. These masks often form out of habit, external expectations, or social pressure. Letting go of them takes time and effort. I've personally experienced moments when wearing too many masks left me feeling disconnected from myself. Trying to meet expectations based on status, image, or others' desires, I began to lose touch with my own preferences, thoughts, and emotions. My self-esteem sank. What helped? I started asking myself a simple question: is what I'm about to do in harmony with my core values? With that question, I gave myself permission to act based on who I really was. Not just how others saw me. Bit by bit, I began letting go of unnecessary personas. Yes, it was scary at times. Removing all the masks and facing my true self felt unfamiliar. But as I began to listen to my inner voice, I felt a growing sense of peace and meaning. And as I learned to connect with others from that place of honesty, my relationships became more grounded and fulfilling. Start with simple questions. Ask yourself, what colors do I love? What environments bring me peace? When do I laugh the most? What kind of people make me feel safe and alive? These small yet powerful questions help uncover your authentic self. Reflection practice. What are the roles and personas I carry in my daily life? Write them down below. Example: leader, peacemaker, achiever, caregiver, entertainer, protector, listener. What are the personas I wear that are not tied to my job or career? These could be habits, labels, or self-concepts you've adopted to please others or gain approval. As you name them, reflect. Which ones serve your growth? Which ones feel heavy or false? Thank you for listening.